Why the Buddha's teaching is more like medicine than philosophy. The only doctor who treated the root of human dissatisfaction and the disease of endless wanting, and the only real cure. Most of us live in a state of constant exhaustion, chasing one stimulation after another. But the great physician, the Buddha, saw this differently. He diagnosed it as a form of mental derangement. Our minds are suffering from a chronic fever of wanting that we've mistaken for normal life. We chase external objects because we believe they hold intrinsic value. Then, we labor to build a mental simulation of happiness around them. This is the stimulation trap. We are the architects of our own prison, constantly constructing a reality that doesn't actually exist outside our own projections. We try to heal our inner emptiness with money, power, or information. But these are just bandages on a deep wound. The ego tries to maintain these fragile fabrications. But the more we build, the more we suffer. True sanity begins when we stop trying to decorate the walls of our prison. The world outside is entirely neutral. A mountain, money, or status has no inherent power to give us joy or sorrow. Yet, we act as a projector, casting our internal needs onto a blank screen. We exhaust ourselves chasing mirages, unaware that the source of the thirst is within our own distorted vision. Even wealth and power cannot fix this. They only create a more luxurious prison. The ego tells us we can control the flow, but the successful man and the beggar are in the same boat of fabrication. A decorated prison cell is still a prison, and those at the top are often the most trapped. The final medicine. Wisdom is the only exit. Is there a place or an object that can truly fulfill us? The great physician's answer is a resounding no. There is no thing to be found, because the entire structure of existence is a mind-fabricated illusion. There is no escape within the matrix. The only escape is wisdom, nirvana.